Hey, this is Nikas from Tech Basics, and today we are going to learn how to download Diamond Bank application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, find App Store on your device and click on it. In the search bar, type in Diamond Bank and then hit search. Scroll down a little bit until you find this logo. Click on this and click on Get. Now you need to verify with your Face ID, fingerprint or an passcode. After the verification, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, click on Open to use this application. Click Allow to allow the notifications. Now you can enjoy the application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.